Welcome to Thinkie. Let's unbox your brain sensor. Inside, you'll find everything you need. Take the sensor and simply put it into the headband to wear it. It's designed for comfort and style. Make sure you place the sensor slightly above your left eyebrow so that it can measure blood flow to your prefrontal cortex accurately. Also, avoid letting any hair get caught between the sensor and your forehead. Next, open the Thinkie app that you previously downloaded to your phone or tablet. It's available for free on iOS and Android. Tap Pair Sensor and watch as your device seamlessly connects via Bluetooth. After you have paired your sensor with the Thinkie app, explore the Thinkie dashboard. If you select the Games option at the bottom, you will see multiple game categories that aim to help improve your brain's executive function, such as mental speed, concentration, prediction, and focus. After you finish a game, you will get a score in Thinkie points. To learn more about Thinkie points and how they are calculated, please review our research page and blog. You are encouraged to take the brain age test once each month to measure your current cognition and to set a baseline for next month's improvements. Try to hit your daily or monthly Thinkie point goal. If you do, you should see your brain age improve each time you take the tests. Another feature is the Brain Meter, which you can use to track your brain activity away from the app. For instance, use Brain Meter while reading, solving puzzles, meditating, playing a musical instrument, playing cards, or virtually anything you can think of that stimulates your brain. While you play any Thinkie game, the screen's color and the app's feedback bar will change in relation to your brain's activity level. This instantaneous readout tells you precisely how hard your brain is working at any moment. Cooler colors, such as blue, represent lower brain activity, while warmer colors, such as pink, represent higher brain activity. Try to keep your brain in the pink zone for as long as possible. The Thinkie app has adaptive difficulty built into it. This means that Thinkie adapts gameplay to the exact level of difficulty you need at that moment. As you improve your performance, the difficulty level of Thinkie games increases automatically to ensure a consistent but attainable challenge. Boost your brain power with Thinkie. Its fun and effective brain training program will lead to a sharper, healthier brain for you.